This is a little trick to help your GraphMath Plus Casio last a bit longer, because one of the problems when it's come out is that the battery compartment is too short to get your batteries in and out of. You can squeeze them in, but they're very dangerous to get out. So I made a piece of Captain tape about twice as wide as the calculator itself, double backing itself, to enable me to get them in and out. You have to have enough to let you grab both ends, because you pull one end, it just doesn't come out. I can see quite a lot of these calculators getting ruined, where people have to bang the batteries out otherwise, and it also a bit defeats the point of making easy replacements in exams, because if you can't get the blooming things out, it's not very practical. My stereographic vision's a bit crazy here because I'm trying to look through an iPad when I'm videoing, so I will do a lot of fumbling. Funny enough, my iPad isn't stereo. You might think you're going to try and tether a piece of tape, but the tape's so you have to pull so hard on it that you will not, or you'll find that it'll not stay set. Right, so that's one wee thing. Now this thing, generally this calculator performs at almost exactly the same speed in anything I've tested it on compared to the FxCG50. That's without the go faster cheat in the FxCG50, which you can't do in this. So one of the other tricks is, but if you like to plot graphs, the one way to speed them up, now if it's only one graph, it's not faster, what you have to do is you have to go in and build it upon the graph you've got. So I'm just going to go in, I've got a wee sample graph here. I'm just going to draw a graph and let you take mentally and notice how long it takes to draw. Right, so go back from that, and the option is if you can go back and you can actually change the style of the graph, or the style of the line style as it's called, to thin. And change it to thin. Now unfortunately there's not a global way to reset this, so if you were trying it out, experimenting with the one graph lots of different times with different variations, I advise you to use the same variable name, and it should actually continue to use the same line thickness. So as you can see, it's a lot quicker. So that's the couple of important tips for today. Hopefully Casio will get the tight battery compartment fixed. It's probably one of the reasons they're hard to get at the minute. Maybe one with tight battery compartment selectors after a while, I don't know. So all the best. Thank you. Oh.